I Hanya. Okay, so I wanted to quickly share something that I discovered while studying. Like I'm currently learning Korean something rules. Yeah, just trying to master them before I proceed onto the next stage because I want to take it like one after the other. So because if you've seen my last video, if you haven't, it's fine. But in my last video, I talked about the pronunciation rules for Batchim, which is like the final consonant. But there was something I mentioned, which was a question I had while studying, and it was that. So how would you know what There are only 7 sounds can be at the end of a syllable. Yeah. So I had the question of, so how would you know what sound to replace what sound with? Yeah, but maybe you could check out my previous videos as or not, it's fine. I'm just going to recap what I said there. Basically, yeah, this is it in my note. The final consonant, when a consonant is at the end of a syllable, it's simplified. And the rule is that only 7 sounds are allowed at the end of a syllable. And the 7 sounds are thus. Can you see? Yeah, this. The let me just say them in English. By the way, they have their Korean names, but just for the purpose of this video. So the 7 sounds are K, hen, T, L, hen, G, or the empty consonant when it's at the beginning of a syllable, and then we have P, K, the 7 sounds. Now I had a question like, so how this pronunciation rules for Batchim, yeah, but how are you able to tell what or what to change a consonant? There are various consonants, about like 19 Hangul consonants, yeah, but how are you able to tell when to change what to what? I don't know if that makes sense, but you will. Stay with me, okay? So now, while studying, I found something which is, I'm just going to let's do this. Yeah, which is still like the what's wrong with my pen? Which is still like the Korean pronunciation. Sorry. That pen is weird. Yeah. So okay, we just say like the Korean pronunciation rules, yeah. And no, Batchim. Okay, is that correct? So then, you know what? I'll just do it on a fresh page. What's going on? The camera shadow is kind of like, is that way too? No. Sorry. Okay. This looks okay. So now, only 7 sounds are pronounced. Only 7 sounds are pronounced. Oh my god, what was that? At the end of a syllable. and let's just rewrite them. So this are the 7 sounds, yeah. Oh no, the stroke is too long. Okay, and then and then and then and then and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this is the thing. Once at the end of a syllable, if there is this this sound, or I feel like this sounds are really quite common. Like it's common to see this. Maybe not like common, but I've seen examples with this at the end. So this becomes K. K becomes this. So you know what we're pronouncing in this situation. In a situation where this, you see this. Is that clear? You see this. This is the double K consonant, and this is K and the S. The S consonant, you know, you're pronouncing this. Okay, now in any instance of this and this or this, like it, you know, you're pronouncing him, which is like this, pronouncing this. So yeah, this is easy because this is not one of the sounds that could be at the end of a syllable. So you know, this is what we're pronouncing for sure. And this too. Now this is the one with like lots of so if you find this or this or this or the strong T or this. Can you see? Yeah, if you find this, which is, you know, this is like, it has its Hangul name, but just for the purpose of simplicity, let's just use the English. Let's just say them in English. Yeah. So this is his. This is the double his, and then this is sh. This is the strong. This is the strong T sound, and this is H. So if you find any of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you just know that what you're pronouncing is this, the T. Okay. Yeah. So now for this, if you find the strong P or this or P and any other letter S, maybe because this is S, yeah, you know what you're pronouncing is the P, and this is just what it is. Yeah, so okay, I hope that is still clear. So I just wanted to share this. Yeah, because I found it while studying, and I remembered in my last video, I came up with a sort of theory, like, okay, so how are we to know what sound will replace what sounds? So I just wanted to share that, and thank you for watching. I hope someone finds this helpful. Okay.